Hello guys, today we are going to solve questions number 6. An aqueous solution contains 0.10 m H2S and 0.20 m HCl. The equilibrium constant for the formation of HS- from H2S is 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 7, and that of S2- from HS ions is 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 30. So we have to find the concentration of S2- ions in aqueous solution. So first, let's start by dissociating H2S ions. So we get 2H plus S2-. We derive this from these equations. H2S when dissociated releases H plus ions and HS-, and HS- releases S2 negative ions and H plus. Let H2S be equation 1 and HS- be equation number 2. We're given equilibrium constant of formation of HS- from H2S, that is 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 7. Let's call it K1, and the second one is K2. So with this in mind, we have Ka equals to K1 into K2. So now when we add these two equations, HS and HS will get cancelled, and H2S on the left hand side and H plus and H plus ions will make 2 H plus ions and S2- negative. So initially the solution contains 0.10 m of H2S, and hydrogen we're given. HCl releases H plus ions, so we can say that initially there were 0.20 m H plus ions. So we have 2 into 0.20 H plus ions. Sorry. 0.2, and the amount of sulfur ions will be, say, alpha. Now, so if this is alpha, this will be dissociated times 2 alpha. So we can say 0.2 minus 2 alpha, and subtracting alpha from here. Now all that is left is to calculate the K equivalent. So now K equivalent equals to hydrogen positive 2 ions, S2 sulfur negative upon H2S using formula equals to, we have K equivalent equals to K1 into K2. So K1 was 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 7, and K2 was 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 13. So now we have 0.2 minus plus 2 alpha square, S2 is alpha square, and H2S, that is 0.10 minus alpha, equals to 1.1 into 1.0 into 1.2 is 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 13 minus 7, that is minus 20. So solving this equation, alpha is very small, and hence if we subtract alpha from 0.10, we can say that it will be equivalent to 0.10. And same with the case with alpha here, and in this equation alpha square. So we can write 0.2 square upon 0.10 equals to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 20 into sulfur square, S2 minus. So we can say, solving this equation, S2 minus equals to 1.2 into 0.10 upon 0.2 into 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 20. Solving this equation, we get S2 minus, concentration of S2 minus is 3 into 10 to the power minus 20, which is option A.